What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best paint sprayer for cars on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is InoKraft Air Spray Gun for cars. The InoKraft D1LVLP Air Spray Gun Premium Kit is made with a strong aluminum body that gives it lasting durability and makes it easy to maintain. The gray finish adds a clean and modern look while being practical for regular projects. With a weight of 1.59 kilograms, it feels balanced in hand and suitable for long painting sessions. The dimensions of 11.61 wide and 6.5 high provide a comfortable size for handling different tasks without strain. This spray gun is created to help users work with confidence and control. The clear markings on the body make adjustments quick and simple. It offers a fine atomization process that allows the paint to spread evenly across surfaces, giving a smooth and polished finish. It helps reduce wasted material and supports efficient work, which makes it suitable for car body parts, furniture, or home improvement projects. The included nozzles in 1.3, 1.5, and 1.7 millimeter sizes provide versatility for different painting needs. This allows detail work and larger coverage to be managed easily. Along with the pressure regulators and oil-water separators, it delivers consistency in every use. Cleaning and maintaining the spray gun is simple because of the forged aluminum body with Teflon coating. This protective layer prevents buildup and supports longer use without wearing down. With a well-balanced design, practical accessories, and strong materials, the InoKraft D1LVLP Spray Gun Premium Kit offers reliable performance for both automotive and do-it-yourself painting tasks.
In our list, the number 2 product name is Vonforn Paint Sprayer. The Vonforn VF803 paint sprayer is designed to support a wide range of painting needs with its practical design and efficient performance. It comes in a bright yellow color with a durable plastic body that makes it lightweight and convenient to handle. The tank capacity of 1,200 milliliters provides enough space for longer painting sessions without frequent refills, making it suitable for small and large projects around the home or workshop. This paint sprayer allows the user to adjust spray settings based on the type of surface being covered. Whether working on furniture, doors, walls, fences, or garden chairs, the smooth and even finish helps create a professional appearance. The included nozzles in different sizes give flexibility to choose the right spray for detailed or larger coverage. The patterns can also be changed to horizontal, vertical, or circular to match the needs of each project. Cleaning and maintaining the device is made simple with an integrated design that helps remove leftover paint easily. The additional accessories, such as the cleaning brush and nozzle needle, make the process quick and reliable. The blowing function helps clear dust before applying paint, while the cleaning joint ensures the sprayer stays in good condition after each use. With its adjustable flow control, the user can manage the output of paint to avoid waste while maintaining quality coverage. This makes it efficient for both small household jobs and larger surface painting. The Vonforn VF803 paint sprayer offers practical design, useful accessories, and consistent results, making it a reliable choice for anyone looking to achieve a smooth and even finish on different materials.
In our list, the number 3 product name is AEROPRO Air Spray Gun. The AEROPRO Tools R500 Air Spray Gun is built for those who want professional painting results on a variety of surfaces. It comes in a black finish with a strong body made from polyethylene and stainless steel, giving it durability and resistance to wear. The tank holds 0.6 liter of paint, making it convenient for continuous use without constant refilling. This spray gun is designed to deliver a fine mist with even coverage, helping to create a smooth surface on cars, furniture, wooden projects, or household walls. Its spray pattern width makes it effective for covering more space in less time while keeping paint usage efficient. With adjustable parts, it provides flexibility to handle different coatings such as varnish, top coat, and other finishes. The lightweight structure makes it easier to handle for longer periods while reducing fatigue during use. It is suitable for both small do-it-yourself projects and larger professional applications. The stainless steel nozzle and needle offer long-lasting reliability and work well with a wide range of paints. The polyethylene material cup ensures easy cleaning and strong resistance against corrosion, helping maintain performance for repeated use. This airspray gun is also designed with a trigger that provides better control, allowing the user to adjust between dust cleaning and painting. With its efficient atomization, paint application becomes more precise while reducing overspray. The nozzle sizes of 1.3 mm, 1.5 mm, and 1.7 mm allow it to adapt to various tasks. The AEROPRO Tools R500 Air Spray Gun combines reliable construction, consistent spray quality, and practical design, making it an ideal choice for automotive refinishing, furniture painting, and household projects. In our list, the number 4 product name is 3M Performance Spray Gun. The 3M Performance Spray Gun Starter Kit is made for those who want professional-level painting results with ease. This set comes in a silver finish and includes a spray gun, replaceable atomizing heads, and a reliable paint cup system. The tank volume holds 650 milliliters, giving enough space for paint to cover larger areas without constant refilling. Built with stainless steel reinforced composite, the spray gun is strong and at the same time lighter than many conventional options, which makes it comfortable for long hours of use. This spray gun is designed for many different applications such as automotive work, trucks, furniture, cabinetry, commercial vehicles, marine projects, industrial equipment, and even aerospace coatings. The atomizing heads are quick to change and work like new nozzles every time they are replaced, keeping spray quality consistent. With sizes like 1.2 mm, 1.3 mm, and 1.4 mm, it can handle clear coats, metallics, primers, sealers, and solid paints. It is built to provide efficient paint transfer, which helps reduce waste while ensuring smooth and even coverage. That means less paint can be mixed while still achieving excellent results. The spray pattern is wide and adjustable, while the trigger is easy to control for precise application. Durability is a key part of the design since the body is impact-resistant and made to last through repeated use in demanding conditions. Along with strength, the lightweight build reduces fatigue and allows the user to work more comfortably. The spray gun is also versatile and can handle everything from small household projects to professional automotive refinishing. The 3M Performance Spray Gun Starter Kit offers efficiency, reliability, and comfort, making it a trusted choice for painting tasks across different industries. In our list, the number 5 product name is Zavax Paint Sprayer. The Zavax Paint Sprayer tool is made for high-performance painting jobs with strong output power and easy handling. This electric spray gun comes in a bright yellow finish and is designed with a large 1,400 milliliter container that helps cover wide areas without the need to refill too often. With its advanced technology, it gives a smooth painting result and works much faster than traditional rollers or brushes. Built with improved materials, the spray gun uses brass nozzles that are tougher and longer lasting compared to regular plastic ones. The design also includes a motor equipped with a fuse and temperature protection that stops power when it overheats, helping extend the machine life. Safety is supported by double-layer insulation that makes operation more reliable during extended use. Cleaning after work is simple because the sprayer can be dismantled for easy access. The package provides a needle and brush that help remove dried paint from the nozzle and keep the sprayer working properly. Before use, it can also blow away dust from the surface so the painting becomes cleaner and smoother. The tool is highly versatile for different projects around the home or garden. It can be used on cabinets, furniture, fences, doors, walls, and chairs. 4 different nozzle sizes and 3 spray patterns, including horizontal, vertical, and circular, allow adjustment for different painting needs. The flow of paint can be controlled according to the project, which helps reduce waste and improve finish quality. The Zavax Paint Sprayer Kit also comes with helpful accessories such as gloves, funnels, filter, viscosity cup, and user manual. This makes it convenient to start painting right away and ensures better results for both small and large tasks.